Hello beautiful people, hope you are doing well. Welcome back to my channel Be Your Best with JK. So today's video is all about creating this glam Punjabi Teej special look, and this is the last part of this series. So without any delay, let's get into the video today. So after following my daily skincare routine, I am just applying the primer on my face and just blending it well to my skin so that it can give a beautiful base for my makeup. And one more thing, the makeup base is same as my previous videos, so if you have watched it you can skip it, and if you don't have the knowledge you can just watch it. And now I just applied the yellow color corrector on the uneven areas of my skin just a little bit so that it can just cover up all my flaws, and just really blend it well, because blending is the key to get a beautiful base. So don't forget to blend it really well. So now I am just applying my favorite stick foundation from NYB, and this is in this shade Honey. I'm going to SOHO 16 and just apply it all over your face, and don't forget the neck area also, and just blend it really well. So now for contouring my face, I am using a stick contour again from NYB, and just apply it on the hollows of my cheeks and on the jawline, on the forehead, and on the side of the nose, and just blend it really well so that it can just look too sharp or too weird or awkward. And now I'm just using a Swiss Beauty concealer palette and mixing the two shades, first and the second one, and from the right, and then just applying it all over my high points, under my eye area, bridge of the nose, chin, on the upper lips, and blend it really well. Now take a translucent powder and just set your under eye area really well with it, and after setting the under eye area, set the mouth area, around your mouth area with it, because it also creases a lot. So make sure first you set the areas where you crease a lot, and then set the entire face and neck area where you have applied the makeup with this translucent powder, because setting your face with powder is the key so that your makeup can stay longer. So don't forget to do it. And now I'm taking a spoolie and just brushing off the eyebrows, and just filling my brows in the strokes application with the eyebrow pencil, and filling it like really simple and as naturally as possible, as I do regularly. So don't forget to do it, else they will look really horrible with your complete makeup. So please do them properly. So now set the eyelids with the translucent powder, because they will crease a lot when you just starting your eyeshadow, so please set them first. And now I am taking a neutral shade and just similar very light brown shade, and just preparing my crease area for my eye makeup, just applying it all over my crease and just blending it well. And now I'm taking a red shade and just tap off the excess and just blend it really lightly on your crease and on the outer corner, as the upcoming look is really glam and beautiful. So make sure you do it, and it's really important. Trust me, it doesn't look that bad, and it doesn't look really odd. So now blend the harsh lines with the neutral shade, same one, and then I'm going to apply the neutral shade first on the lids from the inner corner to mid of the eyes, and then on top of that I am going to apply a shimmer eyeshadow which is available in the palette, and just apply it really light on your eyelids or your entire eyelids, and it is very important step, so don't forget to do it. And now just blend the outer corner of your eyes with the dark brown eyeshadow to just create a dimension and intensify your eye area. And I will tell you the reason in the next clipping why I did this. So just take a yellow eyeshadow and just apply it on your inner corner to brighten up. And now take this kind of glitter, and this is a liquid glitter from Swiss Beauty, and just apply it over your eyelid just a little bit, and take a blending brush and blend it instantly before it dries out. And this was the reason why I applied the brown eyeshadow to intensify my eye area. And look at the glam. Instantly you get the glam look really easily. So just don't apply the extras, but if you need, you have to just apply it really bit and blend it instantly, else they will dry and look flaky. So now take the red and neutral shades and just blend it all over your lower lash line, and then just apply the shimmer eyeshades on the inner corners and just on the lower lash line. And now taking a liquid eyeliner, I'm just applying a wing eyeliner, just creating a wing eyeliner, so that this can enhance my sharp eyes and this glam look. So make sure you apply the wing eyeliner. If you don't know, you can just also use the smoky eyeliner technique, but with the glam look, this wing eyeliner looks really subtle and beautiful. And don't forget to apply the kajal on your eyes. And with this twist kohl pencil, I am just outlining my lower lash line a little bit to enhance them really well. And just now take a brown eyeshadow and just blend your lower lash line so that your eyes can look really odd or weird. They look really subtle if you blend them well. And use the same eyeshadow on your crease and outer corner to enhance them more. And now take a powder blush and apply it as your contour on your hollows of your cheekbones, on your jawline, on your forehead. And this enhances your face. So if you don't contour your face will look really flat, and if you contour your face a little bit, even if with the powder contour, they look really beautiful. So now I am applying the blush from Stay Quirky, Double Date blush, as I always use. So using the same on the apple of my cheeks, and just apply it as according to your preferences. And after that I am going to apply the same highlighter from the eyeshadow palette on the just brow bones, and just little bit on the inner corner of my eyes, little bit on the bridge of the nose, forehead, and cheeks. So if your highlighter is really extra pigmented like mine, do this trick. Just take a blending puff, or you say beauty blender in that. So take it and just tone it down a little bit, else it will look really weird if they pop out too much. So make it really subtle, as natural as possible. And after that, wipe off the excess foundation from your lips, and I'm going to apply a really dark bright red lip shade because it matches my fulkari. So I'm going to apply it. You can apply any lip shade with this look as per your preferences according to your dress. So now set the face with the setting spray in the end and let it dry. And after that I put on my jewelry, make hairdo, and here's my complete final look. What are your thoughts about this? I took the red fulkari, so I applied the red lipstick. If you want to change it, the lip shade, you can do it. And what are your thoughts about this look? Wow, this is so beautiful and simple, subtle. You can just create it by yourself at your home. You don't have to just go outside for this. So let me know your thoughts about this beautiful glam look in the comment section. I'm waiting for your comments, and thank you so much for watching this video. I hope I will meet you in the next video soon. Till then, take care, bye bye, and God bless you all, and hope to meet you soon. Bye bye.